Namaste. Welcome to this presentation on the future of artificial intelligence, also known as AI. Today, we are standing at the beginning of a major shift in human history. Just like the internet changed our world in the last 20 years, AI is going to shape the next 20. But what exactly will change? How will AI affect our jobs, our homes, our education, and our emotions? In this video, we will explore 9 important areas where AI is expected to make big changes in the future. Let's begin our journey into the future of AI.
In the coming years, AI will be present in almost every part of our lives. Imagine waking up in the morning and your room lights turn on automatically. Your voice assistant gives you the news, your daily schedule, and even reminds you to drink water. AI will be in your smartphones, your watches, your TVs, and even in your kitchen appliances. In transportation, self-driving cars and smart traffic systems will make travel smoother and safer. It will feel like technology is reading your mind and helping you before you even ask.
Workplaces will see the biggest impact. AI will automate many routine tasks, like data entry, customer support, or managing schedules. But this doesn't mean jobs will disappear. It means the nature of jobs will change. People will need to learn new skills, like critical thinking, creativity, and how to work with intelligent machines. There will be new job roles, such as AI trainers, robot coordinators, and ethical AI experts. The future is not about man versus machine, but man working with machine.
AI is getting smarter every day. Today, it needs a lot of data to learn something new. But in the future, AI will learn quickly from just a few examples, just like humans do. We will also see the rise of explainable AI. That means AI will not only give answers, but also explain how it reached those answers. This is very important in fields like medicine, law, and finance, where we need to trust the decisions made by machines.
AI is not only about logic and data. It is also learning to understand emotions. Future AI systems will recognize your voice tone, your facial expressions, and even your mood. They will talk to you like a friend, support you when you feel lonely, and help you stay motivated. However, we must remember that real human connections are irreplaceable. AI can support us emotionally, but it should not replace human relationships or emotional bonds.
With great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more powerful, we must ensure it is used fairly and safely. We must protect people's privacy, avoid misuse of personal data, and make sure AI decisions are not biased or unfair. Governments, companies, and people must work together to create global rules and ethical standards for AI. Only then can we build a future where AI helps everyone, not just a few.
When AI meets robotics, the results are truly amazing. Robots with AI will work in hospitals to help nurses, in farms to monitor crops, and in disaster zones to rescue people. They will be able to move, adapt, and make decisions based on real-time situations. These robots can also be used to assist elderly people, clean our cities, and even explore space. The combination of AI and robotics will take technology from screens into the real world.
In education, AI will make learning personal. Each student learns at a different speed and in a different way. AI can create custom learning paths for every student. Teachers can use AI tools to understand which students need extra help and which topics need more attention. In healthcare, AI will assist doctors by analyzing reports, identifying diseases early, and suggesting the best treatments. It will make healthcare faster, smarter, and more affordable, especially in rural areas.
The future of AI is full of possibilities. It is a tool, and like any tool, it depends on how we use it. AI is not here to replace us, but to help us grow. To solve big problems, make life easier, and improve the world around us. But we must be careful, thoughtful, and responsible in how we build and use AI. Together, we can create a future where technology and humanity walk hand in hand towards a smarter, kinder, and more connected world. Thank you for watching.